Hello everyone and assalamu alaikum. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I bring eyeliner, basic simple eyeliner. I will do two types of eyeliner on each eye just to because some people like it. Some people like a thick eyeliner, some people like a thin eyeliner. So I will do two different eyeliners on each eye, and I will show you guys how simple and easily it can be achieved in 2 steps. If you want to learn, keep on watching and watch till the end. Ooh, and don't forget to subscribe. I would love you for that. I'm using Essence Super Last eyeliner. It says it's 18 hours and I love it. It's very, very black. It's better than most drugstore and high-end eyeliners in my opinion. I just love it. It has a very thin wand and it is not a pen eyeliner. It is a liquid eyeliner, but I like liquid eyeliners because I feel they're very, very dark in compared to pen eyeliners. So now what I'm going to do, I hold the mirror at an angle again, and I look down, put this pinky here, okay, hold like this, put this pinky here, and then draw one straight line. That's all. Now that straight line is usually at an angle where my eyebrow ends. So it starts here and then it just stops where my crease is and where my eyebrow ends. I don't take it till here, and then you just bring it in like that, just one straight line, and stop. And now what you do is you fill the inner corner, then the middle, and try to match it like that. Now you see. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna simply fill it. That's all there is. That's all there is to a cat eye eyeliner. And then I just make the shape uniform like this. And you see, that's how easy it is. I'm gonna do a thin eyeliner in this eye because I know a lot of girls don't like a thick eyeliner. And I'm gonna do a thin eyeliner just for demonstration purposes. And I'll show you. I'll be like walking around with 2 different eyeliners. Thin eyeliner, I always, okay, a little hard to work with the left eye. Again, I start with a thin line. That's it, the same thing, same formula. I draw a line at an angle from the end of my eye, and that angle is the end of my eyebrow, but I don't go towards my eyebrow, I just stop at my crease. That's it. Stop in my crease. Now, the second part is what puts this eyeliner different from this eyeliner. With this eyeliner, what we did is we made a triangle, right? This one, we will not. This one, I'm just going to close my eye and raise my eyebrow. And I'm just going to outline my eye. That's all I'm going to do. So I know a steady hand is very important for eyeliner, but if you don't have a steady hand, you can put dots and connect the dots, or you can use a pen eyeliner. Or again, this pinky finger will literally save your life. Like it just makes your hand up pivot. And again, lift my eyebrow up, and I just a little bit smooth it out. And you see the difference in the eyeliners, but I want to do this one, so I'm going to fix it and I'm going to come back. So this is I just applied some lashes and I made this eyeliner thicker, but yeah, this is how it is. And If you want to learn how to do this eye look, there is a video I will link somewhere here, and you can find the link down below as well, to do this eye look, simple eye look. Until next time, goodbye, take care of yourself, and please don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post a lot of fun content over there, and again, the link is down in the description below. Take care. Mwah. Bye.